if I can get active. Let me see you get active. Get active. Get active.
What's good, my people? This is VOC 200 with 200 round TV. I'm back. Part 2 of the Mpa Defender. I'm out here at the outside range at FOP in Pleasant Grove. About to do part 2. If I sound a little out of breath, I done tried to record this at least 2 times already. And these wasps are attacking me, man. Like, they on me hard. But anyway, I'm about to get to it. I'm about to send a couple rounds down. I wanted to get the outside range to, first of all, because the first video, the audio was bad. And also because I just wanted to get further angles and better angles to show the firearm and how it works. So let's get to it. Today, I'll be working with 115 grain AAC, American Ammunition Company. I got this for a bulk order on Palmetto State Armory. I think it was like 120 something, 140 something for 500 rounds. I also ordered the Mpa Defender off Palmetto State Armory. They had a, you know, they usually put stuff on sale. You'll hear me talk about them a lot in my videos because that's who I mainly source to get my firearms through. But they not sponsoring this video. But hey, maybe one day when we do get up there, they will, you know. But yeah, it comes with, I'll do the unboxing at home. But yeah, it comes with a 30 round mag. This is the Mac 11 clone. This is not a silencer, it's just a barrel extension. Top cocking. Got your safety, fire. Pretty bulky, so it's not really a carry. It's just some I'm gonna use for the range, just to have fun with. Or I could just have it as on the bedside. Light them up. But nah, for real. In the first video, I had a lot of fun with this Mpa. I'm trying to get more comfortable with making these videos and stuff, how I talk and all that good stuff. But about to suit up, put my gear on so I can set up my targets and then I can get some angles for y'all. But again, this is the Mpa Defender by Masterpiece Arms. It's a Mac 11 clone, chambered in 9mm. Thing look good, don't it? Alright, y'all, this is a safe and controlled environment here at the FOP range. It's a members only range. Bay ain't here, so I'm having to do all the camera work for myself today. I don't know how many rounds I got in here, but guess what? Let's get it. Let's go check that out. As you can see, I pulled one shot, but that's good grouping right there. This is about 10 yards. That's good grouping. I'm also show y'all the accuracy with and without the barrel extension. And I know, well, I should have told you in the last video, the only thing about taking that barrel extension off, to me, I don't know why it's a problem, but pulling the trigger slaps your finger much harder without that barrel extension on it. I don't know if it's the weight or what, some type of physics thing, but hey, that's what it is. But as you can see, this thing is pretty accurate. But I'm finna get some more rounds through it. Y'all just hold on. That thing look good. That thing look good, boy. a good 5. I see one of them went a little high. I'll show y'all that one too. I ain't finna spoil y'all. Okay, I got 2 above the head. That's before I got it right, but hey, 3 out of 5. That's good in my book. But hey, let's get some more. Y'all ain't noticed. I was trying to be cool and keep my hat on, but it ain't work. Big old headphones wouldn't allow that. But I would jump fire it, but replace the J with a want to hear this thing. You hear me? It's not really as accurate. I don't know. It's just that longer barrel. The longer barrel help the velocity and the accuracy of your firearm. So the longer the barrel, of course, the better you can manage it, like the recoil, and also just getting it on target. Okay, we went from this. This is like 2 different times, two different times of shooting. On aiming in this area to taking off that barrel extension. Look at that. Good old 5 shot. 2 shots. 2 shots here. 1 shot here. Aiming in the center. So I don't know if I'm just pulling to either side or what, but that's how these that's how they landed. Got indigestion. Indigestion. All right, let's see. Let's get up. TV for wifey. She been wanting. They been giving me the runaround online. They keep canceling the order. Y'all don't care about that, y'all. See this MPA, huh? Let's get to it then. What Michael Jackson said, look over your shoulder, honey. But get what? Got the other 4 right here. 1 on the bullseye. So it ain't. I may have spoke too soon. Maybe that was me just rushing the shots. But I'm gonna get 1 more. 1 more up out of here. I guess I'll probably set it up right here. Get a front angle. If you're in the Birmingham area or Birmingham, Alabama area, Pleasant Grove, I suggest you get your membership. Nice guys. They are also not sponsoring the video. But that's what everybody says. That's all you do is good product, man. It's good service, but nah. I really just like shedding light on people that actually do good business. Mpa Defender. That thing look good. Let me do 1 hand. That thing smoking. This a fun gun, man. That's gonna be it for the paper range. Now we're finna go hit some steel. Catch y'all over there. Oh yeah, I can't leave out the best part of the range, and that's cleaning up after yourself. You do have to pick up your brass, because I think they recycle it or something like that, I'm not sure. But you are asked to pick up your brass that's on the concrete at least, and get your paper from off the stand. All right, we back. I realized that my mics weren't working. They need to be charged because I haven't charged them since I started using them months ago. So we're going off the phone now. As you can see, we at the steel range. This is usually the same bait I always come to, because I can knock them down here. I can hit the big ones, hit those over there. So he suit up. Hopefully we got some good lighting over here. I'm about to load this up. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the shoe. All right, in this little section right here, these are at least, let me put this barrel extension back on while I talk to y'all. I don't think I can show that on YouTube. But these targets right here, they're about 15 to 20 yards away. The paper range, that was at least 10 yards. Right? At the most 10 yards for that particular range. We have this pistol steel range, we have the paper range, we have two paper range, we have a rim fire range, we have two rifle ranges ranging from 25 all the way up to 150, 175 yards. I think down there, that's about 10 yards. So yeah, it's you can bring out your rifles, your pistols, hit some steel, hit some paper, sight some stuff in. Yeah, get you right. Let me see if I can. Let me see, I'm in that thing. I'm in that thing. I thought that was it. I had one more. I thought that was it, twin. But as you can see, yeah. I'm gonna rap a little Easy E or something, you feel me? What's that iced tea that say colors? Colors, colors, colors. Let's see here. We on now? Beginning. Yeah. Oh, dang, I ain't even catch it. I knocked them down in the middle. Like I said, man, this thing accurate. Oh, we got that over there. This thing accurate, man. I have good aim. I don't have spectacular aim. But like, with good aim, you know how to line your sight picture up. You on the money. Give me the money. Show me the money. Oh yeah, I was listening to that G Herbo on the way here. That boy got some real pain music right now. I went with all the beat selections, but I get it. Like I can understand where he coming from when he you know, making his music, as far as his lyrics and things, you know. Get a close-up look on that thing. Let me see if I can get some down with y'all looking. Y'all wasn't looking the last time. Oh, he can go down. He hit it, but he ain't going down. So you need some 4-5s. Well, I did hit them the last time and knocked them down, but you need some a little stronger at this distance to just knock them down, because that is steel, heavy steel, at least 3/8 of an inch. But if you want to get it through some skin, that's no problemo. Alright, I'm gonna load it up with about 10, and that's gonna be the end of this video. I need to get another case of these bullets, because I love to shoot, especially trying to make sure my aim get right and stay right. I may be loading up more than 10 because I done lost some count. And they don't have an indicator on how many you have in here, so. Can I say I've had no malfunctions? That's the end of the video. FOP 200 round TV. Let's go. Oh yeah. Stay safe, stay dangerous, and stay scrapped.
Let me see you get active. Jump out and get active. Come on, baby, get active. Get active. Get active.